Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's the first thing guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice about your home. In Love's Park, where curb appeal and neighborhood charm matter, replacing your entry door is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make a strong, lasting impression. If your current door is outdated, worn, or no longer reflects your style, upgrading it can instantly transform your home's appearance. But to get the best results, it's important to approach your entry door replacement with the right strategy. One of the first things to consider is choosing a style that complements your home's architecture. Whether your home leans traditional, modern, or somewhere in between, your front door should enhance, not clash with, its overall design. Clean, simple lines work well for contemporary homes, while paneled or decorative doors can highlight more classic styles commonly found in Love's Park neighborhoods. Color is another powerful way to make an impression. A bold, eye-catching color can turn your front door into a focal point, while a neutral shade creates a more subtle, sophisticated look. Popular choices like deep red, navy blue, or classic black can add personality while still maintaining a timeless feel. The key is to choose a color that complements your exterior siding, trim, and landscaping. Material selection is just as important as appearance. Entry doors are available in wood, fiberglass, and steel, each offering unique benefits. Wood provides a warm, natural look but may require more maintenance. Fiberglass offers durability and low upkeep while mimicking the appearance of wood. Steel doors provide excellent security and strength. In Love's Park, where seasonal weather can vary, choosing a material that can handle both cold winters and warm summers is essential. Adding glass elements can enhance both style and functionality. Glass inserts, side lights, or transoms allow natural light to enter your home, creating a brighter and more welcoming entryway. If privacy is a concern, options like frosted or textured glass can provide the best of both worlds, light and discretion. Hardware is another detail that can elevate your door's overall look. Handles, locks, and finishes should coordinate with your door's style and color. Brushed nickel, matte black, or oil-rubbed bronze finishes can add a polished, cohesive touch. Upgrading your hardware not only improves appearance but can also enhance security. Proper sizing and fit are critical for both aesthetics and performance. A door that fits perfectly within its frame creates a clean, professional look while also improving energy efficiency. Gaps or misalignment can lead to drafts, moisture issues, and reduced security. Working with experienced professionals ensures accurate measurements and a seamless installation. Energy efficiency is another factor to keep in mind. Modern entry doors are designed with insulated cores and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. This is especially beneficial in Love's Park, where both heating and cooling are important throughout the year. An energy-efficient door not only improves comfort but can also help lower utility bills. Don't overlook the importance of curb appeal beyond the door itself. Small upgrades like updated lighting, fresh paint, or new house numbers can enhance the overall look of your entryway. Pairing your new door with these details creates a cohesive and inviting exterior that leaves a strong impression. Maintenance should also be considered when choosing your replacement door. Low-maintenance materials like fiberglass or steel require less upkeep, allowing your door to maintain its appearance with minimal effort. This is especially helpful for busy homeowners who want long-lasting results without frequent maintenance. Finally, professional installation is key to getting the most out of your investment. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Proper installation ensures a tight seal, smooth operation, and a secure fit, all of which contribute to both appearance and functionality. For homeowners in Love's Park, replacing your entry door is more than just a home improvement, it's an opportunity to redefine your home's first impression. With the right combination of style, material, and expert installation, you can create an entryway that is both beautiful and functional. If you're ready to upgrade your home's exterior, A new entry door is a simple yet powerful way to make your home stand out and feel more welcoming every time you arrive.